Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to create your own gaming team logo over at Canva. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the thing is, with the Canvas integrations and community posts, there are quite a few templates out there that you guys can use and add your own personalized touch to. Like for example, if I were to head to Canvas Home, so it's actually closed out of these two tabs right here. And I were to type gaming over at the search bar, like so, you'll see that one of the main suggestions is the gaming logo. So if I were to click on this, Canva will effectively pull up all of the gaming logos that you can add your personalized touch to. So for example, let's say that you're an esports team for like an FPS game, then you could go for this design right here. So it says Impact Esports. So it's basically just a blank canvas for you to add your own customization to, or you could choose any of these really. This one looks like it's using the font for Rust, so that's pretty cool. So let's do this one, and I don't think this one's the paid version, so let's do Impact Esports. And if you go to customize this template, it'll take you to a new page where you get to manually configure the said template. So here you can do some cool things like add new elements to it, like an effect or another logo. So if I were to drag this along here, for example, you could replace this logo, make it look seamless. So let's do this. It's actually okay, so here we are. Or you could add a different color to it, for example, or use an AI image generator to supplement the design of your gaming logo. You could also do cool things like add a different shapes, or add a text box to it. So let's do what's the most gaming. Okay, so this one obviously, but I believe this one is paid, so let's go for a different one instead. We could do like a custom text box even by doing this, resizing it, readjusting the orientation. So let's actually make it straight just like that, and we're going to realign it. Or we can add a new text to it, for example. Let's say esports team. Obviously that one's not as good, but we could easily fix that. Change the color to white, so it'd pop up, it'd pop out more. And here we can use different fonts. So let's do GeForce. Let's see if it's not here, or we can do like a gaming theme one. Let's just use a random one. So let's do this. Okay, so that looks very esports looks very esports. And that's honestly it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.